Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we celebrate the feast of the dedication of the Basilica of St. John Lateran. St. John Lateran is the oldest and highest ranking of the four papal basilicas in Rome. It is the cathedral church of the Diocese of Rome and therefore the mother church of Roman Catholicism. It's not St. Peter's Basilica, it is St. John Lateran. It is the oldest public church in Rome itself. St. John Lateran was built over a Roman fortress, and it was then dedicated in the year 324 CE by Pope Sylvester. It was given to the church by the Emperor Constantine, who about 10 or 11 years earlier had legitimized Christianity within the Roman Empire. It had also been a palace. There had been a palace connected with it that had been the residence of Constantine's wife, Fausta. The building in itself is magnificent, but what it stands for, I think, is even more magnificent. The Basilica of St. John Lateran stands as a reminder of the rich history and tradition of our church. Our church has been around for now over 2,000 years. And churches like St. John Lateran stand as a witness that Christianity has withstood the test of time. It's not perfect, and neither is the church. But we hope and we pray that over time we can bring ourselves more in line with what the Lord expects and hopes for from us as His church, His people.